Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a fried yellow beans recipe. This recipe is easy and quick to prepare, and also they make a great simple side dish with grilled steaks, chicken or fish. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. To begin, we need to prepare 11 ounces of fresh yellow beans. Wash and dry them, and then cut the ends off. Next, chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Heat a frying pan with oil. I used 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of choice. Once the pan is hot, add the prepared beans and cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then add chopped the garlic, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of ground black pepper, and cook an additional 30 minutes. Once the beans are cooked, they're ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to get creative and serve them any way you prefer. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.